Alright, next weekend, continuing with Joseph's project. He just sent me his door controls. Here's your driver's side, brother. And I'll do the passenger side now, and then we're on to redo the HVAC, since the one I sent you is kind of messed up. Never know when you buy that stuff on eBay Motors, you know what I mean? Anyway, here's the driver's side, looking good. And we can see both, yeah, all three of them there. Alright. Alright, sir, and here's our passenger side lights. All is working fine. So now it's on to the HVAC. Here we go. Here's your 2008 air conditioner, and I have everything turned off basically. I'll show you how they don't work. See, the air conditioner light comes on and it's turned off. And what it's doing, yeah, it's blowing hot air out the defroster. Let's see if I can get cold air coming through. Let's see. That's not switching, okay? I know from experience if I turn it off, turn it back on, that'll, nope, it didn't. Huh. Generally, I can get that light to light up. Not always. Okay, so I'm fixing to modify this guy, but it just certainly, what is it doing now? Still, it's blowing hot air out the defroster. So we can check the lights, but the HVAC just really doesn't work right in a 2005 when it's a 6, 7, or 8. So here we go. Okay, not so fast on putting this together. What I still have to do is these little orange pieces of plastic. These clear pieces of plastic are covered with an orange gel. And the only way I know to get it off is take a razor knife and just pick at it like a scab that's 100 times worse than a scab. So I've got about an hour to do three of these guys. See, there's another one right there. So I usually pay my kid to do this, but he's already asleep. So all right. Oh, there it goes. Great. Huh. Odd. Alright. This project is a wrap, and it looks real good. Let me close the door so the lights go off. Alright, I'll put this in a box and put your YouTube video up. 4:05 a.m. Make good progress on this guy tonight, I tell you. Alright.